Let's,
Number.
We're gonna look that one up, Your Honor.
all right, let's see.
Let's see.
Oh, it's Mr. Nasserjian.
He filed an entry 3 days ago.
Is he coming today?
I'm gonna reach out to him, Your Honor.
Okay,
We're checking, Your Honor.
all right. And,
Yeah.
all right, let's see. What about Tavarius Parker?
Attorney, yes, Your Honor, we would just ask the poll to see if Mr. Parker is here.
Okay. Saquon Bailey.
Your Honor, Mr. Bailey is outside speaking with Ms. Sarfarazi right now. That's who she's out interviewing at the moment, but he is present. I spoke to him. He's been present since like 9:15.
All right.
Oh, actually, that's him right there, Your Honor.